Okay, what's up, guys? Today I'm back. It's Dan here, and today I'm gonna be going into this. I don't know what this is. But I gotta make it quick because, whew, man, it's cold out here, guys. And I wanted to make this video. I'm on the four-wheeler, and I came across this. This is some kind of like, I don't know what this is. Like, it's like an abandoned boat dock or boat launch. I'm probably really not even supposed to be back here. But yeah, I just wanted to make a little video right quick. See what's really actually back here. Probably should have went this way. Looks like it used to be rocks or something back here. I mean, I didn't see any no trespassing signs back here, but the point is, guys, this spot back here, it actually did have no trespassing sign back here at one time. So yeah, this is an old boat ramp looking thing. Yeah, look at that guy. Still here. I didn't even know they had a boat launch here anymore. I thought they closed all this off. Yeah, I thought they closed all this stuff off of here, but apparently they didn't. What the heck is this? Nothing. Yeah, I don't see too much back here. Looks like it used to just be a old boat landing or something back here, guys. I'm not too sure. Now, I'll tell you right now, guys, if you're gonna do something like this, I'm not telling any of you guys to come explore something like this. But if you really want to, I suggest you avoid the cops. Because the sheriffs down here, they, see, they have a sign right there, but I don't think it says anything. So you got this place locked up. So pretty much probably don't want you back here. But you know, I'd do anything stupid. Yeah, there really ain't much back here, guys. There's a whole lot of junk. I think this actually runs into that spot. Look at an old electric wire. Too bad we can't get to it. Yeah, I don't really know too much about this place. I know it used to be an old boat landing. Or boat launch. Something. I think they probably used to put cars. There might have been like a ferry thing. Where they used to put cars on a ferry back here. I didn't really see anything saying what this was back here. I think it was just a, like I said, a boat launch or something. I went this way, I think. I'm not sure. I know I went over there to the boat that, see, I think they used to have rocks back here. They actually grew up pretty much a lot back here over the last, I don't know how long this thing's been abandoned. Oh, that was a car. Yeah, I don't really know how long this has been abandoned back here. Had to be a pretty good while ago. Because it's been here. I think that was just a gator, guys. I think that was just an alligator. Yeah, you gotta watch back here because you gotta watch it because you can't be too careful with snakes and stuff back here. But yeah, I can't find anything on this thing. They got a car coming, so I better duck down where they see me, man. Probably ain't gonna be looking. Duck down anyway. I think they're going down the levee. Yeah, I don't actually know what this was. I know it was a boat launch or a boat ramp. It was something. It said they got a sign over here. So let's see if we can read it real quick. I don't even know if it has anything on it written anymore. Yeah, I'm not too sure, guys. I'm not too sure what it's even, what it says. We're gonna go read it, I guess. You can go read it anyway. Look at that. No. Thought that was something. So let's get the heck out of here before we get busted. Yeah. And look at this old thing. Someone dumped this this is an old Sony projection TV. They have a sign right here. I'm not sure what it says. I don't think it's... Wait, this ain't no sign. This is an old trash can of some sort. There ain't really nothing back here anymore, guys. Just a whole lot of junk. Yeah, but I guess I'm gonna end the video here, guys, because I can't. It's about to run out of time. So yeah, see you guys next one. And as always, peace.